Here is the setup for tomorrow's lab. In the interest of efficiency, I'm going to give you a little tour. The first is your unknown that you need to pick up. It's in a little flask. Has a number on it. It's got a murky mixture in it. The second thing you're going to need to do, as soon as you get that, you're going to take a funnel, fold out the filter paper in quarters, and the funnel is going to replace the thermometer in this setup. The thermometer is not there in your setup. You're going to do the separation directly into the boiling flask. Once the separation, the filtration is done, you want to save the filter paper. Don't worry about making observation on the residue right away. Start the heating with the Bunsen burner. Don't heat too fast. At some point the liquid will start to boil, but before you do that you're going to add some little glass beads called boiling beads. Don't let me forget to tell you to give them to you. This system will be closed, and there's only one way for the vapor, once it's heated, to escape. It's down this long tube, which is exposed to room temperature, so it's cool. So the vapor that's come up out of the flask is going to come along here, cool, turn into drops. By the way, they're hot drops, and go into these tubes. You'll notice we have three tubes. One's labeled 1, one's labeled 2, and another's labeled 3 back here. We're going to try to collect 3 different fractions from the distillation. Those are going to be colorless liquids. You're going to make observations of their physical properties. At the end we'll do a demonstration of their chemical properties. You're going to have left behind in the flask very concentrated solution of the fourth solute, the fourth substance, which was dissolved, went through the filter paper. Dissolved things don't get separated by filter papers. Only chunky things do. And you'll get to make observations on that. But the last thing you're going to do for the day is to pour this material that's here into a little beaker with your initials on it, your group initials, and it's going to go into the heating oven to evaporate overnight. The experiment will be finished on Wednesday or Tuesday if you really fly through the test. That material needs to be observed. There's one more step to do that, and then the lab report's due later in the week. Good luck. See you tomorrow.